You're gonna trip out right now. I mean, no, some noise. Come on. That's the stuff.
Thank you guys. I do a little different, little mic stand. I'll serenade y'all. Yeah, so, hey, thank you, Mike and Cue Ball. My name's Draper, you can call me Argolis Sounds, though. Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Hopefully I get to do a bunch of songs. I got a few for you, little stories about my life. Something a little different, maybe. We get that beat turned up a little bit. Thank you, Vainglorious. Even maybe a little bit more. Okay. Okay, love women, don't need a weapon. Sun catching Sacramento weather reppin'. High steppin' fake ghetto rappers, I'm a cracker, flows better life ain't all about the cheddar, I'm a dreamer. And you should be too. You said you got a record deal, I hope it comes through. If you ask me, what's the meaning of life? I'll tell you, cutting a fillet with a Wusthof knife. And when I'm in my kitchen, don't be bitchin'. Lack of spice, got my salt finger itchin'. Now it's time to shine, I gotta pour some wine. I gotta look at my wrist quick to check the time. I'm gonna tap your spine, your emotions are mine. Make you say, oh my god, cause my sound's divine. And then I smoke a cig of the occasional dime. And if I say no to drugs, then I'm probably lying. I'm like a beat demon better worship my shrine. And your raps don't hit it, so ride the pine. I'm hitting home runs with my beats and my lyrics. Step to the mic and knock it out like Roger Maris. And then I lock you up like Nicolas Cage and John Travolta out of here because I stole your face. I wrote the script for this movie, yellow float like a buoy. Stand for it, make goodbye and tell your friends that you knew me. No knots in my pocket, this is my shit, don't rock it. Take a little tiny picture for inside your locker, cause I'm a memory just hanging around your neck by your heart. Call me Argolis Sounds or call me Draper Dayton, call me liberal hating, call me presidential candidate debating, call me late to dinner, call me warm in the winter. Never ever third place cause I was born a winner. First month at that, 15th day brat, Jersey Shore original, MTV and all that. Not muscle bound, music's a home I found. And when I hit it big, I'm buying round after round. And I'm never lost as I wander the stage till I'm found on the ground from all the pavement I pound. Cause I work hard at this.